Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So yun mga kasama, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So matagal-tagal tayo hindi nakapag-upload. Last upload natin is last 2018 or 19. So ito yung unang pagbabalik natin sa video. So sana supportan nyo at i-subscribe nyo ang channel natin. So ngayon, launching ng Team Barcena, and then makikilala nyo din sila isa-isa. So mamaya papakilala ko sila. Okay? Kung taga saan at anong mga kategory nila. At bakit sila sumali sa Team Barcena. Okay? So abangan nyo, team workout ngayon ng Team Barcena and launching for Team Barcena for 2025. Okay? So abangan nyo. Tara! Pangalan?
Ako po si Ernie Besa. Taga Sambales.
Sambales.
Opo.
Oh, Sambales ka pa?
Sambales pa po ako, pero syempre nag-pandemic, balik ulit dito sa Manila. At gusto kong compete for next year.
Anong category?
Natural po, coach.
Bodybuilding or men's physique?
Wala po akong idea kasi first time ko.
Pero ano yung nasa isip mo?
Physique. Gusto ko
men's physique lang?
Men's physique po.
Ba't mo naisipang sumali sa Team Barcena?
Sa tagal ko pong nakapalo sa inyo, Coach Dindo, wala po akong gusto ko sana magpa-coach, yung lang loss of budget, pero buti na lang meron po
opportunity.
Meron pong opportunity na kung sino yung gustong mag-compete at mag-join lang sa Team Barcena, malaking oportunidad at napili po ako.
Yelardo.
Tapos, taga saan?
37 years old na ako. Taga Valenzuela, Pagbagon.
Valenzuela. Okay. Anong category mo next year?
Ano coach? Newcomer coach.
Newcomer. Physique?
Men's physique newcomer.
Okay. Ba't mo naisipang sumali sa Team Barcena?
Ako coach matagal ko na talagang pinapangarap talaga na makapag-compete din sa stage. Tapos, masalamat ako sa Sikan here. Salamat po.
Hello guys, I'm Kevin Doria from Quezon City, Novaliches. And bala ko sa liyan team KG Classic next year sana. Newbie lang, yun. And napunta ako sa Team Barcena kasi matagal ko nang gusto makasama si Coach Dindo. And nakasubaybay din ako sa mga vlog niya. Yun, dati. Shoutout sa Sikan Gear. Thank you.
I'm Lalaine po from Caloocan. Lalaroan ko po sana is bikini. Tapos, kung ba't ko naisipan sumali sa team kasi wala, passion ko lang po. Tsaka, sayang rin naman experience eh. Tsaka, parang hindi ko maiwasan na hindi mag-workout. Tapos, background ko po dati. Ano po ako? Varsity. Tapos, parang medyo nahinto kasi school po, engineering, ganun. Tapos, yan po.
Sa gym rat ka, ano pa yung pinagkakabalan mo? Student, working, or business?
Student po, na minsan nag-i-sports din.
Student ka ngayon? Anong year?
4th year.
So kakayahan mo yung challenge?
Tingnan natin.
No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes peer with my mouth.
Ako po si Julian Francisco from Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Off the ground till I'm found, hear the sound, listen to me now.
Ang bala kong salihan ay men's physique newcomer.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Santa Maria.
Santa Maria, okay. Tapos men's physique? Men's physique, okay. Newcomer. And then, ba't mo naisipang sumali sa Team Barcena?
Kasi matagal na akong interested sa bodybuilding. Tsaka parang hindi ko alam kung saan ako or kailan mag-uumpisa. Tapos nung nakita ko yung post ni Coach, yun, parang talagang naging interested ako. Tsaka feeling ko siya yung perfect person na mag-i-introduce sa akin sa bodybuilding.
Every ounce of my effort pouring out, so you never have a doubt. Do you like me now? Am I good enough now? Should I get more?
Okay, bukod sa pagiging gym rat, ano yung pinagkakabala ngayon? Student, working, or business? Working? Okay, anong work?
Graphic artist.
Graphic artist.
Work from
Sakto.
home lang ako, tapos parang 70% of the time kaya kong ilaan sa gym. So decided talaga ako.
Okay, sige, sakto. Sakto, may mag-i-edit na. Graphic artist. So ano ba yung mga ano mo? Ano pa yung bukod sa pagiging graphic artist? Ano yung sa tingin mo na magiging challenge mo to 2025? Kakayanin mo kaya?
Kakayanin talaga. Kasi parang nag-commit na ako eh. Parang sign ko kasi pag pumunta ako ngayon, ito na yung sign talaga na ipagpapatuloy ko.
Chris Zamora po, 36 years old, from Marilao, Bulacan.
I'm forgetting when I used to have some friends. I used to play.
Anong category next year?
Men's physique, newcomer.
Men's physique nyo kami, okay. Ba't mo naisipang sumali sa Team Barcena?
Siyempre, Team Barcena since day one. Saka gusto ko rin magkaroon ng more knowledge about bodybuilding.
We all grow up and then hating my phone and trends. I'm about to blow my head. Nobody knows I'm dead. Fear I'm a ghost instead. Think that I'm close. I get straight on my.
So bro, anong bukod sa pagiging gym rat, ano pa yung pinagkakabala mo ngayon? Bukod sa tambay ka?
Bali ngayon, kaka-resign lang kasi.
Okay, anong dati mong work?
Sa financing.
Finance. Ano to, bangko? Bangko, okay. Yun lang?
Yun
ano
lang.
mo ngayon? Dati kang finance into bank. Sa tingin mo ba kakayanin mo yung challenge sa 2025?
Kakayanin natin yan. Dapat.
Go the trend.
So my name is Mike Asuncion. So I live in Marikina. I'm from Marikina, but then I live in Pasig.
Toast in bed. Try to go slow with breath. Breathe out my nose and head.
So one of the main reasons why I joined is, of course, it's free, and at the same time, just learning the body industry or fitness industry, bodybuilding. So I'm already 40 years old, trying to learn a little bit more about this industry in itself, and just trying to lose weight. I came from 130 kilos, so just primarily I want to just lose weight, and then men's physique is what I'm going to be joining.
Saan mo unang narinig yung Team Barcena?
So I heard about it from my friend Morin. So I work out with them every single day here in Anytime Fitness, and as well as here's Dindo. He's one of the coaches here in Anytime Fitness, so that's where I learned about that.
Anong category mo next year?
So men's physique. I believe masters, since I'm already 40 years old. So.
You control the plot, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah.
Hello everyone, Morin Mitra, Miko. So,
Taga saan?
Tiga Cainta Rizal.
Yeah. One shot, give it all you got and never back down.
Anong category next year?
Hopefully, makakalaban tayo sa novice men's physique.
Novice men's physique. Ba't mo naisipang sumali sa Team Barcena?
Actually, nagpapayat lang ako and then nakita ko yung post ni Coach Dindo. Ayun. Nakachamba, napili tayo, nabigyan tayo ng oportunidad. So, why not? Push natin.
Stop, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Take it right now before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story.
Hello, ako pala si Edward Escobar from Bicol. Dati
One shot, that's all you got. Could drop dead now.
bodybuilder, and right now nandito sa Team Barcena. Ba't ako nang join? Kasi sa knowledge dati, syempre iba na yung panahon ngayon. So kailangan ko ng another coach to discipline and challenge me. So araw-araw kami magkasama sa trabaho, so iba naman yung pagdating sa challenging at sa workout. So kailangan ko si Coach Dindo para mag-push sa akin darating na next year, physique, men's physique.
Anong category?
Men's physique tayo naman natin men's physique.
Yeah, one shot, give it all you got and never back down. No, I'm never gonna stop. Yeah, I know that I'm a little low.
Yes, my name is Carlo Cruz. I'm from Antipolo.
The people close to me, already know that's me, that's how it's supposed to be.
So, I'm planning to join Men's Physique. So, bakit Team Barsenia? Kasi sabi coach, kailangan daw yan ng gwapo, so kailangan ko pumunta dito. Nasa kidding aside, syempre, bakit hindi? Diba? Coach Dindo, unquestionable. Yun na lang. Barsenia.
Anong category next year?
Kasama. Ha?
Anong category next year?
Men's Physique.
Natural.
Category.
So, bukod sa pagiging gym rat, ano pang background?
I'm businessman by profession, so I also play golf. So, bali tuloy yung vision ko talaga, golf sa buhat. So, I have to sacrifice my golfing muna kasi gusto kong seryosohin yung pangako kay Coach Dindo na kailangan ko sumalang next year para sa Team Barsenia. Alam mo na, kasama tayo.
So, ano ba yung ano mo ngayon? Student, business, working, ano ba?
Bali, coach, negosyante po ako. So, I own a pest control company which is Defender. So, basically, yun talaga yung pinaka bread and butter ko aside from other businesses. But sabi ko nga, walang kwenta yung negosyo, yung dami ng pera mo kung may sakit ka. So, I have to focus more on my health before anything else.
Cause nobody's perfect. Need something to work towards, that's worth it. You need something that's worth more.
Ako po si Jake Andrew Bise from Commonwealth QC and
You deserve it. Find a thing that you love, then preserve it.
salihan ko po ay Men's Physique category, natural. And kaya po sumali kay Coach Dindo kasi idol ko po si Coach Dindo. And ang background ko po is, dati po, nung bata po, is lampa po, inasar po, ganun po.
Payat. Okay. Ano ngayon? Student, working, or business?
Student.
Down the wrong path and reverse it. Put your head down and damn it, start working. Cause
Hi, I'm Dex Rosa.
as we go down this road on our own, never knowing where it goes. Always wondering.
Talaro ko next year for Men's Physique. So sumali ako sa Team Barsenia kasi syempre isang malaking privilege na maging isang student ni Coach Dindo. And ayun, as of now, nagko-coach din ako. Then meron din akong maliit na business ngayon. Ayun, sana next year maganda yung laro namin. Then good luck sa Team Barsenia.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course
So yan mga kasama, meron tayong Sikan dito na limited edition na bag from Sikan Active Gear. So maraming salamat sa suporta nila. So ngayon magpapa-challenge tayo. So ano yung challenge natin is paramihan ng push-up. Okay? So saktong-sakto nag-push-up na ay nag-chest na sila, karamihan nag-chest. So ngayon magpapa-challenge tayo. One bag. Kung sino yung pinakamaraming push-up, so yung mananalo ng bag. Sikan from Sikan limited edition to. So thank you Sikan. Let's go. Challenge natin sila.
we gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning.
So yung panalo na ang winner natin si Ford sa Team Barsenia. So ayun. Ano sabi mo?
Thank you po sa Sikan.
Sikan Active Gear. So ayan.
Coach Dindo, thank you rin.
May next pa challenge pa tayo. Hindi nila alam. May dalawa pa dyan. May pa challenge pa tayo. Let's go. So yun mga kasama, pinapakilala ko sa inyo ang officially and final athlete natin for Team Barsenia 2025. Congratulations sa kanila.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt but some have it much worse. Leave me alone.
So yun, and then thank you sa suporta sa mga sponsors natin, Mutant, Sikan Active Gear, and then Fail T-shirt, and then thank you. So maraming salamat sa suporta, and then huwag niyo kalimutan subscribe yung YouTube channel natin and suportahan yung mga atleta natin. And then pag-iisipan ko pa kung may mga gusto pa kasing sumali sa team natin, pero tingnan natin kung in the future at sana tatagal sila sa challenge. Okay? Good luck. Thank you.